Okay, I'm doing a update and I'm asking myself why, because nothing has really done anything. Of course, this is still very healthy. What is concerning me here is that I've got, nice thickness here, but this is starting to thin. Anyway, I'm still holding out hope, and I have this coat rack, or I'm not too sure what it is, but if I can get it up here. I'm getting my camera stand this Friday, and that should help me out a great deal. But see this coat rack? It's not too glamorous right now. I gotta make sure I put it on the wall right so that this has something to have a trellis up, because that's the only light I got for it. And another thing I wanted to show you, and this is a good thing. Now, I turned off the lights because it can get annoying. It's hard to see. I'm either going to have to get the green sunglasses or just cut it off when I'm talking. But see, this is the amount of black I have. And this is my tell-all, because it's got to turn completely black. And we shall see. Now you could tell they're starting to come up. And over here, I've got my babies I'm selling next year in the spring. If you have something similar, because I love elephant ears, and you want to trade with me, let me know, because I don't sell these for a lot of money, probably 10-15 bucks, but I would be willing to trade. Now see, they're even putting on, they will be extraordinary by the time it comes. Let's go check on the rest of our stuff. Okay, I cut the lights over here too. I wanted to tell you really fast that I forgot what they call these lights. They put off the pink, but there are other lights. I find that I like these lights because they don't pull a lot of energy and they seem to give the plants what they need. But the light, after a while it gets to you. I don't know if because there's red in it, but we did fertilize these. And I haven't had any blooms yet. This little fella, I don't know what kind of pepper this is. I'm waiting to see if it'll turn a color, but we're going to put him in a cloth bag like the other ones. I have to order some more of the trays like this, because I don't want to ruin everything. But this guy, he needs to be put in, a better home. And this one, when I moved him here, he had been under a light and doing really well and had all kinds of blooms on him. But they fell off. Except this guy. So I am not discouraged. Not whatsoever. I may have to throw another light on top of the tomato. That's my biggest, I want that to be an accomplishment. But the peppers, they should be easy to do. Let's check on our other things. Now it's hard to see them without the lights on, isn't it? Well, I don't know what to say because the lights get on my nerves when I'm trying to do this. But looks very healthy, and this is that jungle vining bloom. Goes to the very top of the jungle canopy to bloom. So this is going to be really interesting, and being that it came from a friend of mine who always let me come into his greenhouse, especially during the winter, so I could cheer up. It's gonna be nice to have a part of him in my house. He's no longer with us. And that's my Christmas cactus from my Aunt Pauline. I'm really hoping that puts on some color. Hang on. Okay, these got a little picky on me. But these are the impatiens I brought in from outside. I think I got one in here that took really well. The rest of them had difficulty. That's okay. Well, we could take some of these. I can break one of these off and root it and put it in there. I'm not too concerned about this because it was just an extra. And I'm realizing I'm running out of light. And I'd like to grow, I'd like to grow some onions and garlic. And if that means losing these, that means losing these. But anyway, that's about it on these. I do have some seeds for sale. Not for very much money. I'm not looking to make money off this. You can trade me seeds for all I care. I got 20 long red Cayenne. I'm doing for $1. And if I have to send them to you, I'm probably going to need $1 for postage. Unless you want to trade seeds with me, which I'm looking for different bell peppers, probably like a better jalapeno pepper than I have. Just hit me up. And I know I'm not going to leave my email on here, or my, I don't have a website. But if you could just comment here, I will get back to you. This is something that's very exciting to me, and as of Friday, things are going to change, and videos are going to get much better. But for right now, I've done the best that I could, and I hope that anyone that is following me is doing this as well. And if you do, please leave your pictures down below of how you're doing. I'm going to go ahead and install that coat rack for my tomatoes, and we'll do an update in another couple of weeks and see how that's going. All the seeds that I had put down to root did not. But, they came from the store, and they came from different places, so I have different seeds to root. Especially if these don't do well, it's actually going to be a blessing for me, because I can put bell peppers up here, and I eat a lot of them. So, stay safe, stay well, be kind, and we'll get back to this in another couple weeks. Didn't want to leave this little guy out. Yeah, I know, and the lights are on. I'm still waiting, because, it's brown, but it's not completely dead. And I've noticed it looks like something is coming up out of here. So, I did give it some nutrition, and I did give it water. And if things don't change, because I've noticed this is not good. And I've noticed this. And like I told you, I had my crock pot too close to this, and I could have cooked part of it. But I may have to dig this out of here. This is, this is not movable. I'm going to have to actually take something and bust this out of here, and take him out of here, and repot him. Yeah, I did watch a YouTube video, a couple of them on it, and that's what people tend to have to do. These require a great deal of water, which I did not know, but I have been taking care of it until I screwed up with the crock pot. So let's hope we can save this little fella, because my daughter gave me this for Mother's Day last year, and it was doing really well, and I really happen to like it. It kind of reminds me of my home in California. Palm trees. Anyway, I will let you go and get back with you on Friday, because I'm going to be excited. We have composting to do and all kinds of different things to do, that now that I have 2 hands, it's going to be much easier.